If your Kia Sportage has a full battery but the engine won't turn over, you're likely dealing with a specific Kia electrical or fuel delivery issue. Statistically, nearly half of all non-battery starting issues in modern SUVs are traced back to a failing starter motor solenoid. Before you call a tow truck, let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find the culprit. Always start by ensuring the vehicle is fully in park and that your battery terminals are tight and free of corrosion. Kia models frequently experience brake light switch failures, which prevent the push-to-start system from engaging. If you hear a single click, the starter motor might be stuck. Sometimes a gentle tap can get you home. Fuses and relays are easy weekend fixes, but a buried starter or fuel pump usually requires a professional shop. While a simple relay is under $30, a full fuel pump replacement can easily exceed $600. Using an OBD2 scanner can pinpoint if a sensor, like the crankshaft position sensor, is preventing the start. Keep a basic tool kit in your trunk, especially a 10mm socket, which fits most Kia electrical components. Remember that dash lights only require a few amps, while starting the engine requires hundreds. Check those relays and the brake switch first, and you'll likely have your Sportage running in no time.